Morning, this is National Weather Service in Pocatello with a weather briefing for Thursday, December 13th. Taking a quick look at satellite imagery here this morning, we have a fair amount of low stratus clouds, particularly along the Interstate 15 corridor from Blackfoot, Tabor area on up to Hamer, DuBois, and along US 20 towards Ashton Hill. Also a little bit down towards Graves Lake, Soda Springs area as well. There is some patchy fog underneath and near the edges of the stratus cloud deck. Most of this should dissipate by early afternoon. Temperatures for Friday morning getting down into single digits from up in the Birch Creek area down to Craters of the Moon and Idaho Falls. Our next disturbance arrives Friday evening, and this one should move across our area fairly quickly by Saturday morning. We're looking for high temperatures, mostly around 30 degrees, getting up into the low to mid 30s in the eastern Magic Valley area, and a few mid 30s possible on Malad Summit south down to the Utah border. As this disturbance moves across, we'll see a little bit of light snow up in the central mountains around Stanley, Galena Summit area. Snow amounts are expected to be quite light with this disturbance. As we move through Friday afternoon and overnight, we see the transition of the snow mostly affecting mountain areas, both in the central mountains and the eastern highlands. And Saturday morning, not too much of this snow will be left over. A little bit up around Island Park and maybe Teton area. The total snow accumulation out of this event is mostly at or below an inch. We'll have a few areas that may touch on 2 inches, particularly around Banner Summit area, maybe Galena Summit as well. Once that system goes through, we don't have too much going on right now. A little bit of a weak high-pressure ridge and should be mostly dry conditions in here. Temperatures Sunday and Monday time period get up into the low to mid-30s for a good portion of the Snake Plain, and we may even see a few 40s showing up down around Burley, Raft River area. This is our big dilemma at the moment. This wave here is expected to come inland from the Pacific by Monday morning. We have this splitting flow pattern here in the eastern Pacific as it does come inland, and the models are wrestling with this greatly. The tendency is to possibly keep the wave more consolidated and march across Idaho with some models, and or split the energy between the northern branch and the southern branch, as you kind of see here going on. And if that happens, the southern branch here dives very sharply kind of towards Las Vegas and a little bit into Arizona as it comes in, and southeast Idaho may wind up with almost zero for precip. That is a potential. So right now we have very low confidence forecast situation here for Monday, Tuesday time period. That concludes the briefing for this morning. If you have any questions, put the number on the slide.